Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold with the USA GDP report in July 26th, July 25th, Thursday. That will release US GDP report. You can see Forex Factory website advanced GDP quarterly report is the 1.4% is the previous one. Fed American ex central banks forecast to the increase 2%. So how to trade gold with this GDP USA report? So I'm in a daily chart gold. You can join my Telegram, link is below. Get the accurate gold signals analysis there. Join with it, link is below. So let's see what will happen gold with the GDP gross domestic product report USA. So I'm in a daily chart gold. You can see this is the pattern. Price is in ranging is this pattern. You can see price ranging. This is so this can be to happen. Price can be dropped to this level. That is the one option and continue to the upside as well. That's the two option with the daily chart. So how to trade with the GDP report USA? So 1.4% is the GDP report previous one. So Fed forecast to increase to 2%. So GDP quarterly report if will increase to 2% or above. 2% or above. The 2% is already sentiment to the market. So the GDP quarterly report will actual figure is 2% or above. That will help to dollar demand and that will help to gold drop to the from this level to below level that side. That's the dollar demand and gold can be dropped to the below side. That's the first option with the GDP report. And the other option is the GDP quarterly report actual report if will not increase to 2%. That's the 1.9, 1.8, 1.7 or 1.5, 1.4 like that figure. That is not the forecast figure increase. That is not help to dollar demand. That is not help to dollar demand and that will help to gold continuation to the upside as well. That's the GDP report will not increase to 2%. So actual figure with not 2%, that the 1.9, 1.8 like that. That will help to dollar sell off and gold continuation to the upside. You should remember at this moment market has geopolitical uncertainty. That's the US presidential election will be held in this year November. That's the geopolitical uncertainty also in there. That will also support to the gold push to the upside. That's the gold is the safe haven asset. You should remember that also. That's why I am hoping gold will continue to the upside with this GDP report. That's my option. So I'm going to the 4-hour chart for another clear picture. So I'm seeing this pattern. This is the high. This is the lower low created. This is the Kosimoto pattern. This is level 2420 level is I think this moment key level 2200 for 20 level 2420 level. If this break this level, that's the price will continue to the upside to 2450. That's if not continue to the if price will not able to break this level and that will be drop to the below side and the target is 2375 is the target. So technically remember this Kosimoto pattern QM sell level is the 2420 level. So this is my analysis. You should remember GDP report that will help to gold drop to below or continuation. So touch with the GDP report. So thank you very much.